spawned into the parametric pixel headlamps of the Ioniq 5. Now the parametric pixels is a unique identity for the Ioniq sub. This is a vacuum suction method to pick up the seat, and then they'll place it into the trees. Also use an automatic conveyor system. Now from the mildest being to the left and the most intensive on the right. Now may I know if anyone is allergic to the vegetables right in front of you? Right? So we'll be going from left to right. Yeah, so you cannot walk, cannot go through these. So it's actually being tested with Uber in the US. It's a ride hailing. The doors, the hood and everything. So within a year we are able to build up to like 30. But the best seat, right, is just sit behind the driver. Yeah. For those who want to take nice videos, can sit beside the driver. Yeah. But at the back end, the driver can feel more of the front.
So my name is Farid, I'll be your driver for today.
Yeah. Thank you.
What are the requirements to become a driver here?
So for us, we had to, the drivers here, we had to go for 300 laps on this track. Not all at one go, but we had to finish 300 laps over a period of time. And just do like some basic driving tests. Yeah, so this is to test like the suspension, see if there's like any loose fittings in the car and all that. So it'll be like a roller coaster, so I hope you enjoy. How was it?
Wow.
It was so cool.
Roller coaster.
If it rains, do you still get to drive on the track?
It depends, but most likely no. Yeah.
Right, so welcome to the Ioniq Lounge. Right behind this glass wall here is the vehicle collection zone. This is where our brand new Ioniq owners will be able to